everybody, I'm Natalia Bonner, and guess what? I have babies, or minis. Okay, so over the last few weeks, I have been sharing with you guys some fun videos where I've been teaching you how to machine quilt using my brand new mini machine quilting rulers. And today I've got a few more ways to share with you. So what am I going to be sharing with you? Today I'm going to show you 5 more flying geese quilt blocks that are all samples. So each of these are quilted at the bottom of the panel. This beautiful class sample panel here. This is the class sample for my online classes, Let's Stitch Flying Geese and Let's Stitch Quilt Blocks, which are now available for registration. So check those out over on our website, peaceandquilt.com. But today I'm going to teach you how 5 different ways to use these quilt blocks. These aren't quilt blocks, these are machine quilting rulers. I'm going to be showing you how to use these machine quilting rulers on either your long arm or your domestic machine, as long as you have a ruler foot, the ability to drop the feed dogs, and some type of extended base plate. You can use these and quilt out really amazing designs. So let's hop over to my machine. I do all of my quilting on a Gammill 22-inch machine. The thread that I'm using here on the top is so fine. On my bottom, I'm using bottom line. I have my machine set at 12 stitches per inch, and I do all of my stitching when I'm working with rulers, really all the time, in stitch regulated mode. So let's hop over to the machine and get stitching. This first block that I will be showing you today is a modified version of block number 136, the grid from my stitch along. So down below, we do have links that link you directly to the full tutorial where you can check it out and stitch out these designs with me.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me. Meant to be.
This next design is design number 98 for my stitch along, and it's called the Sierra block. So you can see here that I'm using the mini 4-in-1 machine quilting ruler to stitch out this adorable design.
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be. Outdoors, forever free. You and me,
This next design that I'm stitching out here using the mini inside out machine quilting ruler is design number 96 from my stitch along. It's the Deluge block. I love this block. I use it all the time in actual quilts. This next design that I'm stitching out is design number 93 from my stitch along, the Trine block. So you can see on this one that I have also done a little bit of marking besides the stitching with the mini machine quilting rulers. The marking that I do on all of my quilts, I like to use the blue Mark Be Gone marker. And this final design today that I'll be showing you is design number 84 from my stitch along. This is the contour block. So obviously here I am using the mini inside out machine quilting ruler to stitch out this design. I hope you've all found these designs that I've been sharing with you with my brand new mini rulers inspirational, and that you're trying these designs on your own quilts.